Hey folks, Mike and McGee here. In today's video, we're going to open up the last barrel of silage. Actually, I think it's the earlage. I'm hoping it's earlage. I'm 99% sure it's earlage. Matt's going to back the trailer in here. We're going to load it up. We're going to get it over to the bull that we're fattening, and we're going to see how good it is, see if it's good, and then we're going to see on a few other things. Let's do it. Matt, you're good with that. You're good with that. That's good. Whoops. Oh, Matt can back it up, man. Is this a screw on? No. We have to have a drill to get these screws out. Remember where we pushed it down and used a screw gun?
That's right.
Let's load it up. We'll get it over there. Take it apart with a screw gun. Oops, get in here. There you go. Spin it. There we go. All right, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. All right. All right, we'll see you over at the bull with a screw gun. While we're waiting for Matt to get here with the silage, earlage, and the screw gun, I'd like to introduce to you Bubs. He's a full-bred brown Swiss bull. He's 3 years old. He's a hoss of a boy. His head probably weighs 100 pounds. I'm sure in this camera angle I look as big as he does because I'm closer to the camera. He's a very large boy. Let's just say. Very large boy. You got cuttleburs in your hand, Brian. I wouldn't trust him for nothing. I mean, I would not trust him with 5%. No, boy. And he don't really trust me a whole lot either. And I don't blame him because I'm going to be butchering him pretty soon with my neighbors. He belongs to my neighbors. We're fattening him up. We didn't feel like he was safe to have in there with their children in on that property, so we put him over here. And yeah, he's got a head like a dinner plate. All right, Matt, bring her on back. All right. He must love this stuff because he's just standing here just waiting. All right. This is just like a clip-on lid or something, and there was something about it that we weren't very confident unless we screwed it on. So we put roofing screws through it in such a way that it wouldn't let rain in. We're about to find out if it worked. That bull is wanting some of him some food.
Yep. He loves it.
Oh yeah. Yep, it's just a snap-on lid, and I'm telling you, we got good silage there. Earlage. Woohoo! That will pin the holes of your socks together. But oh, that's good stuff. Smell it, see if it smells like what you've been using.
Smells a little more sour.
It's powerful. It's powerful.
A little fermented.
Yeah. The good thing about that, it's not brown on top. No. It's good from top to bottom. We've rarely had it that good. Back up, bullhead. Yes. That is some really good stuff. I was over there editing. I saw the cow stick her whole head under here reaching for stuff, so we need to fix the fence. Yeah, we need to get that fixed back because she'll eventually pop that next one and it's not good. Even some baling twine or something just to tie it real good. Anyway, finish him on up there. You give him 2 gallons on this?
Yep.
All right.
The can is right over there.
Okay. We'll time it and see how fast he gets it down. So every day, twice a day, the bull gets this silage. Get your head out of the way, dude. Hey, hey. Huh. They literally don't care. There. I'll get one more gallon. If this don't put some fat into his meat, it ain't gonna happen. Oh man, what a brute he is. Absolute brute. Is that about how much you give him, or you give him more?
Yeah, I give him about that much, maybe a little more.
Mm-hmm. That makes them barrels go way fast.
Uh-huh. It's like
a barrel of silage, he's got it down to here, but a barrel of silage does not go far. That's why we don't do just a whole lot in barrels. We do most of it on pile. But I have to say that probably is superior quality, especially being earlage. Now, if it was silage in a barrel, would it be superior? Probably a little, but earlage is blowing my mind. All right, Joel's got a bottle of milk ready for the calf. Mr. Luca is about to suck one down. Let's go see how fast he can do that. Luca. 3/4 brown Swiss and 1/4 Jersey. He's gonna be the next bull on this property. He's a good little old boy. And he's taking that bottle to town. That's 30 seconds right there. He's gonna have it gone in a minute. How many bottles you give him in the morning and evening?
In the evening, I give him as much as he wants, and in the morning, I give him about 2.
Okay. How much does he like in the evening? About 2 or 3?
Yeah, about 3.
3? That's a gallon and a half.
Yeah.
Hey, boy. Luca. You can't eat me. I don't want you to eat me. In a minute, we're going to go over and see Matthew. He's fixing to take silage from the big pile to the calves. I didn't look and see how long that took, but it was right at a minute, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Hammering down on it. It won't be too long. Pretty soon, actually, we can turn him out with those.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, he's basically ready.
Yeah.
The only thing that I don't like is the fact that it's dormant right now. There's no grass for him out there.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's
here.
let's go see Matthew.
I guess I could still feed him a bottle or something.
Yeah. All right, you get your feet out of the trough. Feet out of the trough. Back up. They're just dying to get it.
They get a whole wheelbarrow every morning, every night.
Yeah. They eat it up too. That's just normal cow. What do you say? That's just a normal way a cow acts. Actually, all animals pretty much act like they're starving to death. They'll overeat if you let them. What have you been noticing in the silage? All good?
A little bit molded whenever I don't get it out within like a week.
Oh, if you pull it off the pile?
Yeah, I can use. I don't know if I've pulled off enough to last a week ever, but
Yeah.
whenever I chop it off on the wall of the main pile, it sometimes molds.
Yeah. Let's go in and look. Well, it's dark in here, but still smells good. But you can see what he's talking about, it molding in areas that gets opened up. That's just 100% normal silage. As long as there's not strips of mold running through it, you know, in the pile, that would be really bad.
No, it's all good. It just molds on just the outside layer.
Yeah. I think that's 100% normal.
Yeah. I usually get a scoop for the mama cow because even if the bull can't finish all of his feed.
Oh yeah. Good. She needs that. Talk to me, Vernon. How is it? We got Chili Con Carne. We got Tony Armstrong, Suzuki Armstrong, Ferdinand Jr., Buttercup, all happily chowing down. I'm gonna go see the milk cow right quick. Rosebud needs a bite. There goes the milking man. She has come to expect it, Matt.
Yeah.
Look what she's doing.
She would rather have the ear than...
She wants what he's got so bad. That shows you right there how much better that earlage is than the silage. Shows you right there. Of course, all that feed I put on it too probably smells good, but oh yeah. That bull said, don't worry, I'll keep her off of it. That is crazy. Are you absolutely going crazy? She just ate 2 gallons of grain while she was being milked, folks. She's not dying like she wants you to believe. Oh man, your tongue's 3 feet long, girl. Look how far she can go. She's getting grain. I mean, she is literally getting it. Ay, ay, ay. That's hilarious. She said, you think this fence is gonna keep me? Ay, ay, ay. That's hilarious. She is literally getting it. Well, big boy, your own woman's taking it from you. Well, that wasn't very smart. You knock it out of your own trough like a big dummy. Come on around and eat it off the ground, girl. He gave it to you. What a bozo. She said happily. I think maybe he does that on a regular basis. He's about to do it again.
Only seen him do it probably 3 times, but
Yeah.
I haven't just watched it.
Mm-hmm.
I bet he does do it.
She knows he does it, and that's what brings him over. And I think that's why the groundhog dug a hole underneath.
Yep.
Groundhog dug a hole directly underneath here, and we hadn't set a trap under there to catch it or anything. I don't know if the boys can set one under there that the cow won't get its nose caught in. We need to pour concrete and just fill the hole right up. Well, eat till you bust, boys and girls. Oh man, he done it again. He just threw a bunch more out just before I turned the camera back on. Hey! Everybody knows me, everybody loves me. Not true. Anyway, I guess it's time to wrap this video up. I cannot believe the bull ain't got enough brains to know that when he knocks it out of the thing that he ain't gonna get it. She's gonna eat it. He's got a big head full of hot air, I guess. I don't know. But that's animals for you. Animals don't think through everything. They just do what comes instinctively. That's why we eat them. Well, that ain't the only reason. They're delicious. A lot of that is going right down that hole too.
Well, groundhog probably just comes out.
Yeah, groundhog gets to eat all he wants every night. Wow, he might be well marbled by the time this winter's over. Well, if we get a well marbled groundhog, you'll be the first to know. You may as well go around and eat your silage, girl. Go around and eat your silage. You got a whole pile of it over there. He ain't gonna let you have no more. That's it. About time you figured that out. Now it's good enough to eat, ain't it? My goodness. Only when the other is gone will she tackle that. She said, I want my dessert first. And I'm sure he'll probably go over there and knock her off of that and eat that too. Just the way they are. Because they're animals. But that's all we got for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.